is Yanet. I'm a sport management major. I'm currently interning with the JCC, and I'm interning with the Director of Operations, where we oversee all the events that we host. I pursued this internship because of all the events the JCC hosts, as well as their involvement with the community, and their biggest incentive is Sarah's Table Food Pantry, where they promote healthy nutrition for those in need. One skill I learned from this internship is visualizing. While meeting with clients, we are able to visualize how they want their events to be hosted so that we can meet their requirements. One of the projects that I'm currently involved in is the summer camp that the JCC hosts for kids. We like to call it 11 Fantastic Weeks of Fun. It is a time where kids get to enjoy pool days, field trips, different activities, and crafts as well. This internship helped me understand what I value most in my future career, which is helping and giving back to the community, and that's something JCC is very big on. The best part about my internship is all the great new connections that I'm making with people that are there and learning new things from them every day. This internship helped me prepare for my future career because of my hands-on experiences dealing with different types of problems that come with operating multi-purpose facilities and still giving my best to make the clients feel special and meet their requirements. I love how the Insulaco staff helped me every step of the way, from my resume, applying for internships, and sitting for my interviews. And now that I'm in my internship, they help me still with every step that I need so I can get the best experience. I would tell every other student at Misericordia to take every internship opportunity they come across because it helps you figure out what you would like for your future career, and if you get confused, the Insulaco Center is always there to help you.